What is going on, everybody? Today is the 9th, and we are trying to see if we can get another win for this session. I mean, a little issues with my my platform here, but let's see if we're going to have another positive session for the agent session here. I managed to, I think it's like almost like 2K in profits for the New York session. It's pretty late. I'm still learning about the footprint indicator right now, but you need like a live data feed, which I'm going in between TradingView and my own platform here just to figure out what's going on exactly. Let me just see here. Can I actually show you guys what I'm seeing on my TradingView here? Let's see here. I don't think it actually is picking up my TradingView. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Ooh, I gotta change this right now. Oh yeah, this is way too. I think you don't need to see that. Something like that. Yeah, you don't need to see that. Oh, let's hope that's good enough. So basically what you're seeing here, you have the volume profile on the left. That was for the New York session. And as the data starts to come through for the agent session, we have this is starting to build out. So no trades at the moment, right? As the volume starts to come in, we don't know where it's going to go. Going based off of, I have all these point of control lines set up. So this is for the 9th. This one, for the 3rd, February of the 3rd of last week. When I was looking at the trade, so if you look at the New York session, right? Gapped up, came up, and then it started to fail. And then this major reversal happened, like the February 6th point of control, that didn't even hold at all. But quickly reversed, took control, and then we didn't know where it was going to go. And then it eventually came up to the 3rd, February 3rd of like point of control. And we're going to see if that would have held. I did take some sells right over here, like some here, and then I started eventually hitting it hard here. And unfortunately, I did not grab this entire pullback because I didn't realize it was going to pull back that hard because the VWAP was still down here. Like, this is so far away from this session's VWAP, right? Like, it was not coming close to here. So we don't know if it's coming back to this value area here, but this move was way too parabolic. So we're going to see if this plays out on the 5-minute. Let's see on my trade of 8. Fortunately, I cannot trade on gold still. It's still disabled. Don't know why. But let's just see what Stock Tiger is saying here.
How much again? That's total 38.70, 15. So 53.70, give or take $5,400. And then of course I did get approval from listed. That's $3,000. So it's definitely a tough month for Stock Tiger. Right, it's probably one of the more slower start to the month.
What the hell? He's already in on a trade. I think it's going to like the NASDAQ is just going to come down like 15 points to the last point of control. Yeah, let me see here. The last point of the control was 25,295. No, I'm looking at the wrong one. Hold on, let me just pull up my NQ here. Let me just make sure I'm pulling it up. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Then. Oh no, my charts is all messed up right now. I can't believe that happened. Yeah, the price is 25368. Yeah, it's breaking through. The orders are very thin right now. Yeah, it's very thin. It's getting a little bit of push. A lot of sell orders coming in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, a lot of orders are coming in. A lot of sell orders. Buyers are trying to absorb, but the sellers are still slamming sells. Oh, wow. It might actually drop 100 points from here. The orders are very thin, but they are slamming all those sell orders right now. Buyers are absorbing. Okay. I have a feeling it's going to pull away from this price to probably come and test this range down here, 25,311.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore. I guess that's on me, I got busy. I used to drink soda, now I switched to whiskey. I didn't want time to pass, but time is fast. I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
Yeah, a lot of sell orders on the footprint here.
Order filled.
Okay. That was a quick, cheap trade there. That's technically $190, but still trying to figure out how to read the footprint. My charting just kind of got messed up on the trading view here. Everything I drew on the wrong, the wrong chart here. So I'm not really prepared right now. On the inside, who had dreams, big things were gonna come from his life. 50%? Oh, what's up, Jose? You want volume profile? Let's...
Never know what was left in the future. If only someone could have gotten there sooner. They had thoughts and feelings, a few dreams, a few things they wanted to go see. But a bad day became a bad month, and then a bad year without anyone.
I don't know if I can use actually Trade of 8 for my charting here. I'm kind of tempted to see if I want to actually use Bookmap. But for everything I need it for, that's an extra $215 a month. to use Bookmap, and I'm not trading the kind of capital that's going to break even on a $215 a month investment right now. Wow, silver is selling off here. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's really no trading, man. I don't know how Stock Tiger manages to place any trades with the amount of volume that he does. Holy. Like, what is he saying here?
Oh yeah, and I forgot to trade my I completely forgot to trade my top step too. One XFA. And I forgot to trade my combine too. I had the one. Too much cappuccino on my brain.
Wow. Wow. I don't know where is this gonna go other than potentially to 25,248. So we're talking about like another like a potential 100-point drop from here. Yeah, the footprint is saying that it's very likely to break this. I don't know if we're going to see a whole lot of sell orders here, but I doubt that this is an area they want to trap buyers. Why is my tablet giving me a problem here? Okay. Why is my trading view data is like lagging here?
Let's go. I can see my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night. But I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, head, body, roll the dice.
I'm not seeing this. Why is my data lagging on the trading view here? We're looking pretty pretty thinned out right now. What is going on? Oh, that's why. That's what's conflicting with my trading view. I have two of the footprint on the same tab. I'm not seeing a lot of sell orders that's coming through right now that's forcing this to come down. Yeah. Yo, what's going on, crypto? I don't know if we're gonna get a lot of move on the Asian session, man. Like the volume here is very low compared to the New York session. I didn't realize how low it is in comparison to it. Oh, that's definitely a lot of buys there. What a dump. Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely a dump. But this move all over here, Jesus Lord. Like, in the back of my mind, I've been just focusing on silver and gold just to see how that's playing out, because this is such a big market that they're trying to distract us away from. Market is trumping. Yeah, yeah. I was having a little bit of a discussion with my buddy about Trump, and people seem to forget that it doesn't matter if it's Trump, Biden, Kamala Harris, whoever they decide to put in as the president for this term. What's crazy is that the government is at $38 trillion in government debt. The debt ceiling has to continue to increase. The interest payments alone on the government's debt is around $2 trillion a year. The military spending doesn't even come close. It doesn't come to a trillion, but the interest portion is at $2 trillion. And yeah, it's like, this is I would not want to be president today. No news. Looks like those cells are being absorbed right now. I didn't see any news today. Oh, are you gonna break through? Are you gonna break through? No, I didn't get book map, but I got the footprint on TradingView. I just linked up with the Apex's I guess data feed to it. So I'm just training my eyes to see this footprint right now. It's kind of interesting to see how it's developing. But it looks like it's having a hard time breaking below this. Uh-oh. Buyers are flying in. No, this can't be. Yeah, you're looking at the DOM on the book map, right? Just to see who's moving the market, right? Like, I actually saw it in real time today with one of the streamers where they're talking about how he saw a big order come in, a big sell order, and then it got absorbed, and that same person that absorbed that order slapped on a pending order at a higher price. To see and Q clean all the recovery made yesterday. You really want this to sweep down? Oh man. Oh man. I mean, like, this is coming off of the bounce of like the Amazon scare. Well, Amazon barely held, but it was, who was it? Is it Microsoft that held up the NASDAQ today? And just because today's market was a brilliant bull trap. Think so? On the daily, it looks like it's just trapped in this range. This 2,500 point range. Like, it's at a point where it can just retest the daily high, or come back down and retest the 24,245 range. But I want to see how this looks. And just... it's trading below the VWAP for this Asian session, so it's definitely trailing that. But it's just having a hard time. I don't know, man. I think this bull is still in play. Well, at least it needs to retest the 428 area. So like right up here. Is that 428? Yeah, around there.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in.
I don't know, man. That's 2 daily candles. That was bullish.
Gonna take that, make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.
20 points? Do I want over 20 points?
Or will you fucking fight back?
I don't know. I don't know how to trade the NASDAQ during the Asian session. I don't know. Let me just train my eyes here when I'm looking at the footprint. But why do you think that the NASDAQ has to crash right now? I know we're like, you know, a couple thousand away from all-time highs and everything, but why do you think so? If everyone is still believing that the AI bubble is still intact. Like, I'm not really up to date with, you know, stock market news as to why the market is trading down or up. Like, it seems like everyone is pricing in for the new Fed chair to come in and start cutting rates right off the hop. Yeah, you're asking for like over 1,000 point drop by tomorrow. Weekly, let's see here. But can you I mean, it was overbought a few weeks ago, like probably in December or like November-ish. But it looks like it's just consolidating. It's creating a new base. No? That's what it looks like to me. Like, we might be entering a new shift that this might be the next support. Like, this is going to be the new norm, like 25,000, 24,000 range. And then we might push up to the 30,000 on the NASDAQ. Like, there is so much money in the system right now, right? Like, we have some crazy inflation that's going on. Do you not think that it's okay to see 30,000 on the NASDAQ? Because there's a crap ton of money in the system right now. Oh, no. Oh, no, NASDAQ. Are you, like, leaving me now? What is that? 46 to 60. 14 points. Is that really what I want? 14 points? Would I have taken it? Nah. Yeah, my internet is going all over the place. Oh, you're looking for like a crazy like pullback, like a little bit of a correction move. Yeah, okay. If that happens, like I'm there. This is barely any orders, and it's moving this market. Yeah, well, I was thinking of like getting in these candles over here, and to TP at the first VWAP up there, but I guess not. It played out, and I didn't take it. Like, I know what you mean, but the Mag 7, so you got Facebook, Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, like all these tech giants, right? Each and every single one of those companies had their own correction. Like Amazon was on Friday, right? Yeah, I think it was Amazon on Friday where they announced earnings, and then like it just dropped like 14-15%. And then it's leveling off as of today. And then I think Nvidia had a little bit of a sell-off a few times in the last few months. And then, what was it, Palantir? It's still down in the dumps and everything, but the NASDAQ is still holding. Yeah, it would have to be like a crazy news event that's going to pop the AI bubble just to have a big pullback on the NASDAQ. So it's like an earnings thing coming up for I think all the tech companies is already out. Right? Let me see here. Let me see here. So for this week, let's see which company is earnings today. So tomorrow, Coca-Cola announces. Okay, we got Coca-Cola. That's a big company. Yeah, Coca-Cola is up there, 43 billion. Palo Alto, don't know who that company is. A lot of energy companies. Yeah, there's a Devon Energy, Expand Energy. Oh, I better pay attention to my Halliburton thing, because there's a lot of energy companies being announced tomorrow in terms of their earnings. Jesus Lord, that's a lot of earnings coming out tomorrow. Okay, now we're going to Wednesday. Wait a minute, why is Coca-Cola being... Okay. And then Alibaba for Thursday. Oh crap, Nestle is coming up this week too? Am I reading this right? Why is Coca-Cola? Is that like a separate division? I'm seeing it 3 times this week. Man, this is crazy. Every single company I'm seeing billions. Man, back in 2008, man, you would be considered lucky to be priced in the market cap in the billions. Now it's just like it's easy to hit $1 billion market cap. Yeah, that's it. I think all the major tech companies are already announced. So I don't know if any of these companies is going to trigger a sell-off on the NASDAQ to bring it down there for this week.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Negotiations. Okay, that's a possibility, but in my head, I'm just thinking that like the whole discussion between Iran and the United States, I think it's already fizzled out. I think what triggered it was the whole Israel making its move on Iran, and I don't remember how the market reacted during that time. I wasn't really active at that time. So I don't know if we're going to get that kind of reaction that we need during the negotiations. But we're going to pay attention to it. Anytime he talks, the market moves. So I'm not denying that.
Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever want to be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't want to be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I...
Yeah, this is just ranging, man. This whole chopping area, the box and chill is what we're seeing here. Just not liking how my trading view, it glitches between the data feed on Tradeovate. Like it keeps on resetting my footprint. Oh man. So a lot of orders around this area right here. Yeah, this price level right here is where currently where most of the orders has happened.
Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold.
It did test the VWAP. This might actually... I think the sellers might take control here. $312. Do I want to try it for like 20 points? They are slamming orders. They are slamming sells here. Nikkei is coming up.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. But mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning.
Just closed at the support on the 5-minute. Yeah, you know, I don't think this is going to hold. But it is ranging. Are they trapping sellers here? Is that the language it's telling me here? That is it trapping? There are more buyers coming in here, right here.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove.
Did my chart just freeze, or what's going on here? What's going on with my internet?
They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. You got
Apparently this is the area. From 360 till 340 where we're at. This entire area, that's where most of the orders is happening right now. Okay. How am I reading this? Okay, the sells came in. You're selling hard, but oh, more sellers came in. But again, it's just like, it's like being absorbed here. Like, it can't break through. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, all those orders came through. Oh, there are the buy orders. Okay, I'm taking buys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think that was the trap there. Yeah, there's a lot of sell orders that came in, but it didn't take much for the buys to come right back in. But we're going to see. Got a minute. Let's
Order
average
filled.
in this. There we
Order
go.
filled.
Put an another one over here. Yeah. Right below the VWAP there. Right? Is that right? 357. Yeah, 357. 5, yeah, okay. Oh. If it closes like this, then it just trapped quite a bit of sellers here. Trapped a lot of sellers right here. So hopefully the sellers have lost control over here or just trapped them by accident, but new 5-minute candle. 5 minutes away from the 7 o'clock candle. There it goes. There goes my trading view. It glitches every time. What is going on? I cannot see my footprint right now. Yeah, they're fighting over this price right here where I entered. Most of the orders are being slammed right here. They might lose it here. We are fighting for like 20 points. 340. I was just trying to look at my conspiracy triangles. Oh, okay. I don't think that Apex has Forex pairs, but I'm stuck with the NASDAQ here. Oh no, those sellers are coming in. Oh the boy. Oh the boy. Oh no. Nope, some buyers. And then it glitches again. My trading view just glitched again. Yeah, it's right here. It's fighting this pricing here. It's back and forth. Come on, buyers, step on in. All right. Just need you to hit my first, my VWAP up there. Just tap it, and then then you can do whatever you want after that. 5 minutes, just a few points away from going bullish here. Just a few more points. It needs to clear this little tiny little resistance there. So I'm seeing on the footprint here that these prices here where sellers took a lot of control. But once it goes past this level here, it's pretty thinned out up here at the top. Oh, never mind. Okay, the 5-minute just flipped. We're a minute away from the 7 o'clock handle. And I'm going to close.
Order filled.
I don't like holding it at the 7 o'clock. So small profits today. 348 as being the total. Boy, oh boy. 348, not bad. 7 o'clock candle there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my. Oh man. Oh my. You son of a gun. Okay. I need to figure out this whole like footprint thing on TradingView and all that stuff because it's been lagging like crazy. I don't know why it's doing this. But we're just going to take a little bit of a break here and not get too excited. Right? We're just going to just take a little bit of a break, right? That was 2 trades. Asian session is not easy for me. Even my broker's kind of glitched during the dump on gold. Yeah? Well, all the prop firm trading, they don't allow metals trading right now, so I don't know what they're waiting for. Wow. Are you really gonna? Oh my god! Right there. That was my TP right there. That would have been my original TP. Right there. Right there. Ah. No. Ugh. Well, that was my evening. I'm gonna leave you guys. I gotta go and see my kids and all that stuff and spend and salvage this evening. But there's a huge chance that I will be trading the New York session tomorrow, depending on how my work gets wrapped up tomorrow morning. So, Crypto Night, Jose, and anybody else that's watching, I'll see you guys tomorrow during the Asian session. I'm not going to be streaming during the New York session because I'm on a different setup. I'm not around my actual computer setup. So I'll catch you guys later. Right? Stay safe, and hopefully you guys can grab what you need to grab during this Asian session. All right. It's time for me to close up shop.